After you have downloaded the MetaTrader software, you need to install it on your computer. For Linux, you can find a separate video series about how to install a trading server farm on YouTube. If you want to use a Windows computer, the installation process is very simple. Just go to the Downloads folder and double-click on the MT5 setup file that you have downloaded. You should now see the MetaTrader installation wizard, and maybe you need to enter your administrative password to continue with the installation. The wizard is straightforward. You can click on Continue and confirm the default installation settings. It may take a few minutes, but even a computer that is 10 years old is able to run the software. If you are behind a firewall or if you want to use MetaTrader in a company environment, you may see a pop-up window that is asking for the proxy settings. But for the vast majority of all traders, this is not required, and after a few minutes you should see a success message and the software will start. MetaTrader comes with several options that we need to adjust after the installation. For example, you will notice a lot of sounds that are played right after the first start. So if you want to do the installation process in an environment that is rather quiet, you should turn down the speaker volume for your computer. The basic installation is now finished, but to use MetaTrader for automated trading, you need to adjust some settings and connect it to an original MetaQuotes demo account. As we don't need to look at charts so often, you probably will also like to change the chart views to reduce the processing time that is required to show the data. We will talk about the necessary steps in the next few parts, so make sure you don't miss them.